Hello guys, this is Gio. So in this video I'm gonna try to pick the Medeco M3. Unfortunately I don't have a key for that one, and it's a 5-pin Medeco. So I'm gonna try to pick it clockwise. So first I need to get that tension wrench to fit in here, but it's becoming harder and harder because it's slowly eating the keyway away. Good lord. How am I gonna do that? It's not good. Okay, like this. Alright, so pin 5 is binding. Okay, pin 3, pin 4, pin 1, pin 2, okay. So now we are caught on the sidebar, so let's try to see which pins needs to be rotated. Pin 5 appears to be good. Pin 4 appears to be good. Pin 1, there we go. Let's see. Pin 3 is alright. Pin 2 is alright. Alright, so let's hit the slider. And there we go. Medeco M3 open. So let's get the lock. I have a new filling mat. Come over here. All right, so there we go. I was lucky for once, because usually when I need to rotate the pins, pin 4 in this case was already correctly in his true gate. The problem is most of the time it is not, and it is very difficult to get it to rotate to the true gate, because there is a the false gate is very hard to come out to. Alright. Oops. So first, where is my where are my tweezers? Shit. Oh, just wait a second. There we go. Oops, shit. Okay, sidebar with the little springs here. Come on, there we go. The slider. Oops, that's pin 3. Pin 5. Pin 4. Pin 2 and 1. There we go. Now let's see what is in the Bible. Just gonna do that. Alright. Standard. 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 I think they are all standard. I don't remember filling as a mushroom. Oops. And yeah, standard. Boring. So small anti-drilling crescents come here. And the springs. There we go. Oops. All right, so this is it for you, the Medeco M3. Just trying to quickly zoom on the pins. Pin 1 has a false gate, pin 2 as well, pin 3 does not have a false gate, pin 4 has one, I'm pretty sure, and pin 5 has a false gate. Alright, so 4 false gate in total. Alright, so there you go, Medeco M3. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.